Hi everybody, Yashika here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I use VidIQ and Canva together to create stunning YouTube thumbnails and social media graphics in under 5 minutes. So if you are a content creator or entrepreneur trying to stand out online, this combo will save you time and help you get more clicks. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. First, I start with VidIQ, and this is my secret weapon for creating thumbnails on the fly because VidIQ essentially has an AI image generator. So what I do is I type in a phrase, and for this particular video, this was a comment left on the channel. So what I simply typed in was pig in a silk hat, and that is something very visual, right? So once I type that in, the AI generates an image, and know that you can edit in VidIQ, but I don't use it. So you can add like text within that AI configurator. What I do is I remove the text and I take the image from the AI generator and then I plug that into Canva. Know that if you are creating content, running a business, or just trying to show up online with confidence and ease, Canva is your new best friend if it already isn't your best friend. Know that you can use this tool to create stunning graphics in minutes, and know that you don't need any design skills. All you really need to do is drag and drop and you're pretty much done. So this is very good for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, flyers, presentations, and so much more. And the good thing about it is that Canva includes so many different templates, fonts, stock photos, stock videos, video tools, and even a built-in background remover. And additionally, it works on desktop and also on mobile. So whether you're building your brand or launching your next offer, Canva makes you look pro without the stress. Know that when it comes to graphic design, Canva is one of those tools that you are going to be using every single day. So know that you can try this for free or upgrade to Canva Pro for even more power. And the links for these are in the description section. And when you're in Canva, it's pretty much just adding the image that you generated from VidIQ, adding a really good title, putting in a simple picture of yourself and your logo. And we'll go over all of this again in detail as you go through this course. But know that you can create stunning graphics in minutes again by using the dynamic combo of VidIQ for generating the AI graphics and then Canva for editing the graphic. Now, once you've done all the work and you are happy with your design, all you have to click is download. And there you go, you have a high quality graphic or video that you can post to YouTube or to social media. And there you go, from VidIQ's AI image generator to Canva's magic, and the whole process can take you under 5 minutes. And look at the results. You will get more clicks, more watch time, more impact, and you will save your time. In closing, know that you don't need to be a professional designer to show up like one. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can design content that grabs attention and grows your brand all in minutes. So don't just watch this video, go and practice. Try creating a social post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a quote graphic using what you learned today. And if you haven't already, you can sign up for VidIQ or Canva via the link below. I know that it's free to start, and the pro version is seriously worth it if this makes sense for you. I hope today's lesson helped you to truly understand how you can turn content into clickable gold. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson as we dive deeper into digital mastery.